greatest enemy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, enemy. Have loads and loads of fun. Now I don't know from where to start or something. But Mridul, you have always been the bestest friend I've ever known. You have always completely known me, first of all. That too, I don't know how do you know anything about me, but you just know it. You know that even when I'm not smiling, you know about it. How am I not smiling? You know the reason that I'm upset also. How do you just figure it out? Please tell me, okay? Do you have some sixth sense, or are you my pichle janam ka some friend or some best friend or some brother or something? How do you know everything, Mridul? I still remember those times that we have spent in JRS, all that, you, Priyesh, me, Vedka, especially our Forka fights, and obviously me and Priyesh always won. You know that, okay? And I just don't know, it's always been the best time with you. We don't talk for months, we don't talk for 2 months, we don't talk for ever, we don't talk. Half the time we don't even chat because you never make an attempt, which I always hated and I always tell you about it. But it's okay, okay? You can always make up reasons, I know that, Mridul. और तेरे reasons से हमेशा मुझे पटा भी लेता है तू. So it's fine. And I get patafied also. मतलब सब चलता है मेरे लिए तो. And really, you just, I don't know, whatever I do for you, anything I do for you will be too less for you because you're really given the best to me, Mridul. You have really become, I've never actually thought, that I actually will get such a best friend like you. Thank you, Mridul, for everything. Okay, now don't cry, okay? And too much of good things I spoke about you, so now I should really stop that because you're really a bad enemy also, and don't forget that. I don't know from 2 years from now where we're gonna be or something, but one thing I really know, Mridul, anytime you need a friend or ever you need anyone, I'm always there for you. You can always count on me. Yeah, and please try coming to UK. Yeah, Mridul, what am I gonna do without you? Whose advices will I take? Whom will I tell all my stories to? Whom will I fight with, Mridul? मेरा enemy कौन बनेगा यार? मुझे कोई तो चाहिए ना irritate करने को. This is not for you. Have to come, okay? And इतना तो मेरे लिए कर ही सकता है ना? मतलब obviously best friend हूँ, कर तो सकता है, okay now. Now don't do so much of natak and just shut up and enjoy and have loads of fun and don't cry, okay? Because I'm so sure you're gonna cry.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मृदुल कुत्ते.
बर्थडे भाई, और साले इतना बड़ा हो गया था भाई तू. हाँ, आगे सुन भाई, दारू जो लिमिट में पीना और गांजा बिल्कुल मत करना, समझा? मुझे आधे बेटा 2 घंटे हंसा था, ठीक है? हम गांजा करना. भाई बहुत याद आ रही यार तेरी सच में. जेआरएस में क्या लाइफ थी यार. दिन भर पड़े रहते थे, क्रिकेट खेलते थे और साला तू हरामी डांस करते रहता बगल में. बहुत याद आ रही है यार. चल कोई नहीं, जल्दी मिलेंगे अपन, ठीक है?
I really don't know how to define this guy. He's my girlfriend, he's my best friend, he's my parent, he's my roommate, he's my everything actually. Happy birthday Mridul. It's your 20th birthday. Hope your dreams come true. Obviously it will come true. You're Mridul Hari Agarwala as it is. Love from PMKS. PKS. I'm sorry. And this time also you're celebrating in Bilaspur. Bloody get lost. Be here for some time at least. Be friends also need you. Love you. Take care.
सुन रही हो? हाँ यार, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ मृदुल? कहाँ से? स्टार्टिंग विद हॉस्टल अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस था यार. मतलब एक्सपीरियंस ही बना तेरी वजह से, तुम लोग की वजह से एक्चुअली. PMKS रिमेंबर या. सो सबसे पहले तेरी मैगी. आज तक कुकिंग सीख नहीं पाया तू आज तक. मतलब इतना टाइम हो गया उस समय तेरे एफर्ट्स देख के, सब कुछ देख के. छोड़ वो सब. सेकंड, वो उठना और क्या बोलते हैं, अलार्म लगाना और 10 नखरे तेरी वो हमेशा कोई ना कोई बात पे बस बुखार है ये, अभी बीमार आत्मा. एंड देन टॉकिंग टू समवन. या ओके फाइन. सुन रही हो? यार प्लीज़ अंदर गाली क्यों दे रहा है मुझे इतनी सारी? इतना भी बुरा नहीं हुआ है. एनीवेज, और
Happy birthday, Moni. You are 20. See, okay, first of all, I wanted to wear Mahavira House t-shirt, okay, for you because the captain. Okay, I wanted to remind you, but then I didn't find it actually. It's with Shreya, I think. So I'm so sorry. And I want to tell you that you are damn cheap. You didn't invite me on your birthday. I mean, ठीक है, I invited you. You couldn't come. Fine. I was like, okay, fine. You know, you didn't attend college and stuff, but you could have invited me. I mean, ठीक है, I won't be able to come because I'll be going to Delhi. But I mean, थोड़ा तो you should have this thing, that you should send me, you should send me an invitation. I know we haven't spoken in a while, but still, it's like my fault. I'm so sorry. But then all I want to tell you is that you are one of the finest persons I've ever met, okay? It's not just those normal lines which I tell every time, but it just comes out from my heart. I just miss you so much. Your advices. Remember how much you used to give me maths classes times, boards time. We used to sit and chat about future and CA and shit. Oh my god. How much you and Kanha used to teach me maths. I mean, my questions were like endless. And you people used to bear with me and still answer all of them. Oh my god, I just miss all of them. Here, there's hardly anyone who does that. I mean, I am the one who teaches people. Can you imagine? I mean, still I'm not able to teach people, but last year, yeah, I had come to Bombay. I couldn't spend much time with everyone. You were thoda busy in sorry, what is this called? Okay, I'm so sorry, whatever. You were busy, but then I now when I think, I was like, shit, we actually didn't spend time together. This time when I come, I'm gonna spend full time with you people properly, okay? And we will have our gossips. Obviously you don't gossip, but then you have to listen to my gossips, and then our memories we'll recollect, and then you and Priyesh have to take me to Marine Drive, just by the way, okay, this time when I come. But then it's like, I miss you so much. Your advices are like, you know, the advices which at the end I take yours and I abide by your decisions. Heavy words, na? I'm learning from you. Just that, don't ever change. Always remain my Moni, okay? And then miss me. I mean, I'm supposed to miss me. You're supposed to text me, the Vedika, I miss you. I mean, a person like me is supposed to be missed. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? You have to bear with me, yeah, obviously. Happy birthday, happy 20th birthday, and enjoy and miss me, and don't cut cake without me, please. Bye.
वो तेरी पहली गाली किसको दी याद है? ओ गॉड, वो गाली जब तूने दी थी, we all burst out laughing.
Hi, happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day. It's so funny how we've gone through so much in like less than a year, probably, from meeting at a club to brothers and sisters, becoming like brothers. But it wouldn't be the same without you, and I'm so glad you're here for me always. And I promise I'll always be here for you, and thanks for tolerating me like all the time. Really less people can do that, and have an amazing day. Bye.
मतलब किस तरीके से डिस्क्राइब हो, जो चेहरा ना तेरा इतना भोला सा मासूम सा, जो सब लोग सोचते हैं हाँ मतलब एकदम अच्छा सीधा सा बच्चा है, उस चेहरे जो असली वो जो चेहरे के पीछे छुपा है वो मुझे पता है। वो कंबल के अंदर ऐसे एकदम ऐसे ओढ़ के ऐसे बात करना, क्या मतलब क्या था देखो, हमने सुना नहीं है कुछ भी, सब कुछ सुना है तेरी बातें, ओके। और वो सब तो ठीक है, वो मस्ती का पार्ट था, बट व्हेन यू गेट सीरियस, हर एक चीज़ मेरी जो तुझसे हर एक चीज़ छुपा के मैं करता था, जो भी किया, कमीना है ना तू, लेकिन सब पकड़ लेता था। बट ठीक है यार, इट गोज़ ऑन, इट गो ऑन, सो
Hi, Bonnie.
Happy birthday. Have an amazing day. Of course, with all the lovely friends around you, you are bound to have. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. If I start talking about how much I miss school and all, it won't precisely end in this video. May all your wishes come true. Have a lovely year ahead. Happy birthday once again. Love you, Mumali. Miss you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, bhai. Seriously, happy birthday. Happy 20th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mridul. You're 2 decades old now. That's like 20. That's like a lot. I've known you for more than 3 years now, and we've been really good friends. We first became friends in class 11th during a debate. I'm glad I went to JIRS and got friends like all of you. I wish you have an amazing year ahead. You're a very responsible and a very mature person, and obviously you're crack, but that's okay. We all had just planned that we'd come to Mumbai, all of us, but we actually landed up in Mumbai. I'm glad all of us have actually landed up here. I remember calling you Mridula, and you used to get damn irritated, and then teasing you with VLD ma'am, and once you asked me for a pen and I said something and you got damn pissed off. I'm really scared of you after that, trust me. All I can say is have an amazing year ahead, and have an amazing birthday.
Happy birthday, Mridul. I have nothing to say in the video. It's just that apna nature and attitude, keep it same all the time. It's more than 3 years I know you, and you're still the same, so remain the same all the time. और भाभी कौन है जल्दी बताना मेरे को. Waiting to call someone भाभी fast. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Hello Mridul, many happy returns of the day dear. Take care, have a nice year ahead. God bless you.
Hi Mridul, happy birthday. Enjoy yourself with your friends. Missing you a lot. Love you loads. Take care. Bye bye. Happy birthday once again.
हाय मेरी जान, हैप्पी बर्थडे. और कुत्ते कैसा है तू? एकदम बढ़िया. हैप्पी बर्थडे तो सुना ही होगा तुमने. बर्थडे बेटा तेरा आज. पता नहीं कैसे आ गया साला, पैदा ही क्यों हुआ ये. पर फिर भी बहुत याद आती तेरी. मिलते हैं, जल्दी मिलते हैं. शादी में तो पता नहीं क्या किया तूने. बहुत रोया, लड़कियों वाला रोया तूने. तो अच्छे से रहिए, बढ़िया खाइए पिए. बढ़िया आदमी है, सही है, मस्त.
Hi Mridul, happy birthday, and have loads of fun. And I know I'm looking damn ugly, but this is because Mridul Doshi is like sun, so I had to only send it howsoever I'm dressed and all. And I just want to tell you one thing, Mridul, you are one person who I actually like look up to. You're one person who I think everyone admires and everyone wishes to have a guy like you in their life, because you're one person who genuinely anyone can rely on, and everyone knows that you will give them the right advice whatsoever it may be. And yeah, and Manali's laughing over there, but whatever. And yeah, that's it. Love you loads, and have loads of fun.
Happy birthday, Mridul. Have a very nice day and a wonderful life ahead. I hope you get whatever you want in life, and just stay the same because you're really nice.
and you're very helpful and innocent and everything. So just stay the same. Also, I would want to tell you thank you for calling all of us for the wedding because we really enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed too. So just stay happy and keep irritating Doshi. And happy birthday again. Love you.
When I saw you first time, I never thought that we're gonna be friends. You seems like a gunda to me, seriously. But eventually we become friends. That to this close man. It's a great feeling having a friend like you around. Seriously. Whenever I'm stuck with studies, only one name comes in my mind, Mridul Hari Agrawal. And yeah, you're always there for me. So yeah, happy birthday, have a nice day, and make sure that next time you're in Mumbai.
Happy birthday, friends! Happy birthday, Hari!
Happy birthday, Mridul Hari Agrawal.
Awesome birthday! And yeah, Doshi loves you so much. He did so much for you. Oh!
Hope you have a great year ahead. Lots of love from all of us.
Happy birthday. Okay, so you're one of the nicest people I know, and I think the best part about you is that you always give such amazing advice, and you're always so calm and rational, and you always help people out of situations. You're so kind, so very helpful. You genuinely just want to be there for someone who you care about, and I think that's really, literally the most amazing thing about you. And even though most of our bonding is over ragging Doshi, and I really hope that never changes because he totally deserves it. He wanted you to know that he's worked his ass off on this, and I think that's pretty evident, but still. We really love you, Golu, and I hope you have an amazing time on your birthday and in your life. Wish you all the love and all the luck because you totally deserve it.
Hi Mridul, happy birthday. अब यार तेरा मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकता यार मैं अभी. Stay happy. अभी तो 20 का हो रहा है. ये बहुत मतलब दुख होता है सुन के कि मेरा दोस्त बड़ा हो रहा है, बुढ़ा होते जा रहा है बिलासपुरी. और विराज बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है अभी तेरे बर्थडे के लिए. And that's it. Cheers, man. Bunk.
I'm probably the last one to give this video क्योंकि समझ नहीं आता क्या बोलूँ. You are one of the most generous and the most kindest and one of the most smartest guy in the class, and I can say that because I know everyone and I know Doshi. Life का stress, I gave you Doshi. You can have all the fun you want with him. उसके जैसा कोई नहीं. So happy birthday, have a bash. बड़े हो रहे, सब अंकल बन रहे. More responsibilities and stuff, but still always keep the child in you. Enjoy, man.
मैं भी आ जाता हूँ.
हाँ. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Mridul. Happy birthday to you.
Bye bye.
हाय, मेरी फर्स्ट नाइट परसों होगी ना शायद. तो बहुत डर लगा है. हे वैष्णो देवी, अगर सब कुछ अच्छे से हो गया ना तो मैं विजय के साथ आपके दर्शन करने आऊँगी.
तू हो गई 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी किट पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोई साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा.
फाइनली तेरा ये वर्जिनिटी का व्रत टूटे. मम्मी सुन लेगी पागल.
लटके दी चादर उत्ते हनीमून कर माहिया आप सामने तेरा की साइज है 10 माहिया मन मन दा गुरदा दिखदा है सब कुछ क्लियर माहिया तेरे सामने लगदा है
रानी अल्लाह
दीदी। हाँ भैया आपको आई लव यू कह रहे थे।
स्यापा डेथ ही हो गई।
जनरेटर चला यार, कमाल करता